Good morning, everybody. This is Miss Williams. It's Monday, April the 20th, and today we are going to add to what we know about circles. You've already learned the calculations for circumference, radius, diameter, and area. Today we're going to add in the skill of calculating the area of a circular ring, which can also be thought of as the area between two circles. If you look at the diagram, you can see a blue ring. That's the area that we're going to calculate. You can think of it as really being two circles, a white circle on the inside and a large blue circle the whole way around the edge. What we are going to do is we're going to work out the area of the white circle. It has a radius of 4 centimeters. Separately, we will work out the area of the blue circle. It has a radius of 6 centimeters. And then we will subtract the area of the white circle from the area of the blue circle, which will give us the area of the blue ring that you are looking at right now. Essentially, this is the same as cutting out the white circle from the blue circle. If you just went around this line with the scissors and cut out that piece, that's the same as the area of the white circle. You would be left with the blue ring. Here are the calculations. The area of the white circle, we use the formula pi r squared. Pi is 3.14. The radius we are using is 4 centimeters for that white circle. So this is 3.14 times 16. And from calculations I did earlier, this is 50 and 2400 centimeters squared. Separately, we work out the area of the blue circle. Pi r squared, again, is the formula that we use for area. 3.14. The radius of the blue circle was 6 centimeters. So we're multiplying 3 and 1400ths by 36. And from calculations I did earlier, that's 13 and 400 centimeters squared. So that's the area of the whole blue circle. We also have the area there of the white circle. You're going to subtract the area of the white circle from the area of the blue circle, and that will give you the area of the blue ring. And we're subtracting, and we get 62 and 8/10 centimeters squared. That is the area of the blue ring. There's one other piece that you need to be aware of. There are two ways that you can be given these problems, and I'm going to show you the two. Here's one way, which is what we just did. This is where you're given the radius of the small circle, and you're also given the radius of the large circle. So this you can think of as R1 and R2. That's the more straightforward way. The other way that you can be given the details of the two circles, and this is where you need to be really careful. So you can be given the radius of the inside circle, and then given the width of the ring. Do not let this trip you up. Here you're given the radius of the inside circle, but you are not given the whole radius of the outside circle. In this case, you will need to calculate the radius of the outside circle yourself by adding the radius of the inside circle to the width of the ring. So the radius of the larger circle, radius 2, is going to be radius 1 plus w, whatever those numbers are. And then you can carry on like I did on the first example. All right, what I would like you guys to do for the rest of today is to do some practice on IXL and then answer 3 questions in formative, and that will be your work for today. Contact me if you have any problems. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.